make a move, jump like you want some. Make a move, jump like you want some. Make a move, jump like you want some.
Welcome to Serial 9, I'm Gerard and this is Kevin.
We just wanted to let you guys know that we'll be going to Final Bout in Shawano, Wisconsin this year. It's the 10th anniversary of Final Bout.
Last time we went was 2019 and that was pretty cool. We trailered 4 cars all the way across Canada and USA. We're not doing that this time, but these are the cars we're bringing. All right, so this is my 1997 Toyota Cresta. It is a JZX 100. I've always wanted a JZX 100. I've always kind of liked the Crestas because they're sort of like the weird bastard stepchild. Headlights, taillights are super cool, early model. It's 500 pounds lighter than my Aristo, but it has the engine from my Aristo. So it's 600 horsepower, 2JZ, 6-speed CD009, and full Serial 9 goodies. So it should be a lot of fun, and I'm really excited to drive it. I'm really excited to finish it. Then I can drive it.
This is my 2001 Toyota Crown JZS 171. It's basically the same as the Altezza, but infinitely better looking and more unique. So that's why I'm taking it to Final Bout this year, not the Altezza. So yeah, this car is equipped with a CD009 transmission with our CD Pro bell housing. I also converted to handbrake because it normally has the pedal brake. Stock intake, stock exhaust, stock injectors, stock air filter, stock ECU, stock intercooler, stock radiator. It's pretty stock.
All right, so it's a pretty standard 2JZ GTE. You know, sort of big turbo, tubular manifold, kind of cool stuff. Drive-by-wire, mil-spec harness, you know, coils. It's nothing really special. It makes about 600 horsepower, and that's sort of where I need it to be. Yeah, so for suspension, I'm just running the whole Serial 9 catalog. It's got all the new billet arms. I'll be running AK-49 knuckles with the new tension rods. I actually have an actual LSD in this car. It's a 1.5-way Oeskiken. And then of course CD Pro, triple tilt and clutch, some bride seats, which is kind of cool. I've actually had 2 of the same seats. I've never had that before. The exhaust is just like some random JDM 80 mil. The wheels are gonna be the Veil sides off my Aristo, so they're huge and I don't really know how they're gonna fit, but I bought some random super big bolt-on flares that I'm gonna try to make work. And then probably some BN aero and a really cool green color.
So currently the car has a sedan optional front lip. It has the wagon side skirts and rear lip. It has side mirrors off an 18 Crown, which have puddle lights. It has the UCF 20 grille in the 17 grille surround. I have a painted subframe for this car that I've had for like 4 years that I'm finally gonna put in, so that's fun. So it's gonna have, you know, full subframe bushings, diff bushings, all of the arms, basically everything we make. Lower the car 4 inches. It's gonna have our 509R turbo kit. It's gonna be on ethanol. I have a full Link ECU from Panic, or definitely will make more power than the Altezza ever has.
We're excited to drive Shawano again. It's one of our favorite tracks. And yeah, if you're in the area, come and see us at Final Bout or in Chicago. We'll be ripping around on the streets.